Okay, this is my 2020 Lincoln Corsair, and there are problems with the radio. Turn the volume down. These problems have existed from day one. So let's start with this. Right now you can see we're on POTUS. POTUS is the fourth channel of the first page. See, there are 3 pages. There are 5 channels on each page. POTUS is there, but you notice it's not highlighted. That's a problem. Okay, but we can see it's POTUS. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the steering wheel control, and I'm going to move it 1 to the left. And now 1 to the left. But you notice it didn't move 1 to the left. It moved to the last page of the last channel of the 3rd page. Again, that's a problem that's occurred from the start. So I was on POTUS, the 4th channel of the 1st page. I moved it 1 to the left, and I ended up on the last channel of the 3rd page. Just as a point of reference, when I brought the car in to Lincoln for repair because of this, they told me they couldn't replicate this. What it was doing prior to them doing a factory reset or a master reset was, if I went 1 to the left, it would always end up on the 1st channel of the 1st page. Now, after the factory reset, if I switch to the left, it ends up on the last channel of the 3rd page. So that's number 1. Number 2. 1 is it doesn't highlight properly when I turn it on. And 2 is it doesn't go properly at the first time I hit the steering wheel channel. You'll notice, by the way, it does now highlight. Now, when I switch now again on the steering wheel controller 1 to the left, you'll notice the next one is the Seriously Sinatra. And you'll notice, but before it comes up with that icon, watch the lettering. See how it flips? It actually flips to the same channel name, Seriously Sinatra. But now when I move to 70s, again 1 to the left, watch what it does. It says 70s, and 1 more. And all of a sudden on the 60s channel, it's telling me it's the 70s. I'm going to move to the 50s channel. Tells me it's the 70s and then flips back to the 50s. I'm moving to the right. Again, it says 70s and then 60s. I just can't believe it's supposed to do that. If I flip to the 2nd group of stations, watch what it does now. I'm going to flip to the bridge. It says classic vinyl. I switch back to the right, and it still says classic vinyl. And I switch to the left, classic vinyl. I'm going to go a station over, and now another one, yacht radio. It's going to say CNN International. Symphony channel, back to yacht, CNN International. So it's got these bizarre things that it does. Once it's set, it will work properly. It'll work with hand controls. But when it starts off, now I'm going to POTUS, and it says SXM 121. The next one is Doctor Channel, and it says NFL Radio, even though it's channel 110. And notice, if I switch to the left again, POTUS, it says 121, even though POTUS is channel 124. So these are annoying and shouldn't happen.